Thank you for watching my video. I'm Ayana. Today, I will make Goya Chanpuru. It's a bitter melon stir fry and it's representative dish of Okinawa prefecture. It includes pork belly, farm tofu, and eggs. It has a lot of nutrition in this dish, and it's so delicious. The bitter melon and other ingredients are very good combination. The pork belly and bonito flakes add the umami flavor to the dish, and eggs and farm tofu make the dish mild. Now is the best season for the bitter melon. So in Japan, it's very popular dishes. In this video, I share some of tips of making it. Let's get started. Okay, these are ingredients. First, this is pork belly, so I use sliced of it, and farm tofu, bitter melon, and eggs. Okay, these are seasoning. Left is sake and salt and white pepper. And I use the rice flour to mix the pork belly. I coat the pork belly with the rice flour. Okay, and the milling and soy sauce. This is bonito flake. I served on the dish and add the bonito flake on top. Okay, let's start. Okay, first I prepare the farm tofu. It's important to drain the water. So if you do so, the dish is not watery and the taste is good. I have the tofu and I coat it with paper towels, and I use this plate and the water and put a weight on it. Okay, let's start. Okay, so these are bitter melon, and let's sprinkle the salt to the bitter melon. It's important to reduce the bitterness for the dish. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's stir fry the ingredients. And it's important to stir fry each ingredient one by one because there are a lot of ingredients. I should aim to the perfect stir fried. Example, the pork belly until the golden brown, and tofu is burned through the surfaces. So it's important to stir fry one by one. Okay, let's start.それではいただきます。It's so delicious. Bitter melon is good, not bitter too much. I stir fry the ingredients each ingredients one by one, but the taste is harmony. So it's good. In Japan, so its dish is very popular in summer. So I'm addictive to the bitterness of bitter melon, and other ingredients make it milder. So it's good combination. I like it. Today I prepared firm tofu to drain and bitter melon. Remove the bitterness a little. So it's important. So the taste is good, especially firm tofu is it's important. So if I don't drain the water, the dish will be watery and the taste is bland. And finally, I add the katsu flake. It's good flavor, so I recommend it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. It makes me happy. Thank you. Bye.